First thing I want to use is filters, which I think is underused, and my way of deciding that something's underused is when I just forget it's there. So you do things like you want to delete all these points and you go through and select them all and delete them, making sure that you find every one or whatever. But the quickest way, and you need to force yourself to do this to get into the habit of it, is click delete. It says select entity to delete. Click on filters, then say none, which switches off everything, and then I'll say just points. OK. Now I can either do Control A to select everything or window everything. Now you'll notice it's only selected the points and they delete. So you can do exactly the same thing, but this time I'm going to do the filter and I'm going to say I want to filter by colour. So I'm going to pick green. I know it's this green because I've done this already. OK, and then window, click, and everything green has gone. Here's another useful feature. Drop down the edit, see something that says match. Click match. What this does is matches wherever possible one item to another. It could be whatever is similar about that item, it will match it. So in this case, if for example we say we want all the points to be that colour, okay, what we could do is we could select the entities to alter. So what I'm going to do is again apply a filter and I'm going to say none points. OK, and I'm going to window these points here. OK, and then it says entity to match with, so I'm going to say match it with this entity, and now all the points are the same colour. So that's quite a useful way. That's called match. You could do the same thing if you said match and these dimensions are different colours. So again I could say this is what I want to alter, and OK that, and I want to alter it so it's the same as that. So here's something else you might find useful. It's one of them things you look at, you think, well, I knew that, but I just forgot, or I ain't using it. But in actual fact, if you get in the habit of using these things, it will speed up your day-to-day processes. Let's imagine I'm going to do this select apply to all, and I might be wanting to change the colour of everything. So if I window that, I've actually windowed everything. But saying I wanted to window everything bar the points, and I've done this. Well, on this Windows mode, interestingly enough, you can use a window to deselect as well. So if you said deselect, and then you said filter, take none out there, and points. OK, so what's going to happen now when I window is it's going to deselect the points. So what's happening now is I've selected everything else. So it's just another little tool that you might find useful. I'll just show you again. You have to have this on to do it. If you look Windows mode, so you can toggle, in other words, you can toggle between deselecting and selecting. Then you can have it so it selects only, and then this other one which is deselect only. So that's a little device that personally I don't take any notice of it, but it is useful, and you know, try and use it, try and bring it into your everyday work, and the same with the filters, and you will find that it'll make life a lot easier.